Good day, guys. This is your favorite Mr. Omar, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks on how to spy on your spouse. Wow, this one is an explosive one. It's very easy and very exciting. Yes, I believe some of you, your spouse might have been saving some contents on their phone, and they might have been using application lock to lock their gallery or their images and videos for you not to access it. Wow, that's so pathetic. I believe you must have been eager to know which pictures, which videos are on my spouse's phone that she or he has been hiding. It is very easy for you to access these contents. But first, I would like to advise you, don't cross your security breach. Please, I'm begging you, for this is for educational purposes and not for criminal purposes. Now, I'll go straight to where you can do this. You can easily access any Android phone without the person knowing that you have viewed the person's contents and gallery. Now, first you have to access that phone. When you have the phone on your hand, like I'm having this phone on my hand, you look for Google Chrome. Every Android comes with a Google Chrome. There's no Android that does not have a Google Chrome. Even if the Android does not have a Google Chrome, there's always a downloaded application for browsing which you can easily and freely use to do this. Now, when you access the Google Chrome, activate it and open it. Once the Google Chrome has been launched, let's say we have launched the Google application. Now, on the Google application, you are going to type file, then you type /. After typing file, you see, are you with me? You type file, then you type column, and you type /. After typing /, then you type SD card. Once you type SD card, then you when you click on SD card, then you click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can see all the files on the folder are here. You can see them. These are all the files on this. If you want to see those on the camera, just go to this folder, then you go to camera, and these are the photos that the person has been hiding. If you click on downloads or other items, you can click on any of the pictures. You can see they'll open. Like this are the images that are there. So if this person have been hiding some funny things, even if there are videos and the rest, you can get them here. You can see all what is on this phone, and these are easily. You don't actually have to access into some kind of gallery if the person does not give you access to it. But for you to do this, these are the processes, and this is for educational purpose. Please don't cross your boundary. And for more tips, and if you are not understanding what has been listed here, what we have said here, you can also comment on the comment section, and we'll reach you and we'll give you a brief on how it's to be done. But please make sure that you don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to also follow us on our Facebook page. For more tips, we'll always be willing to give you tips and further tips and further tips and further tips till you get exhausted. Thank you for watching. At your service always. This is Mr. Omar. Thanks for watching. Until I see you again on my next tips and tricks on Android. God bless you.